Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Checking your profile views helps you understand who's engaging with your content and growing your audience. So, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. At the top of your profile, you will see a footstep icon. Tap on it. If your profile views are turned off, tap on the Turn On button to turn it on. Once enabled, you can easily see who has viewed your TikTok profile. And this is how you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.